Hi guys! Tapos ko na pong lutuin yung okoy. Bulaklak ng saging. Ito po. Tapos gumawa ako ng sausawan na maraming sibuyas at nilagyan ko ng sili. Ito po. Mas masarap po yung sausawan na maraming sibuyas. Tikman na po natin. Lagyan po natin ng maraming sibuyas. Masarap po siya. Pwedeng gawing merienda at ulam. Kakatipid po siya sa ingredients. Madali lang po itong gawin. Minekos-mekos ko lang po ito.
Video games that roast you for being a creep. In GTA 4, when you visit this computer and start browsing the web, you might come across
Masustansya na nga, tipid pa sa
website. And if you decide to click it, you'll be
sa
found
ingredients.
being a weirdo and find yourself with the 5-star rating. In Lollipop Chainsaw, if you try to get a peek at Juliet's skirt, she will block your vision, and the game will embarrass you by giving you the "I swear"